Today we'll be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Hikvision HFKS1 Smoke Alarm Kit, a part of the HF-Link series with 1 gateway and 3 smoke detectors. We'll experiment with the kit and share our thoughts on the product, and you can buy this in our store, on-site and online on our Facebook and Lazada pages. Unboxing this set, to get a safety information booklet, the HFPG1 gateway, drill templates, the batteries, toxin screws, double-sided tape, a USB-C cable for the gateway, and 3 standalone HFS3E smoke detectors. It's recommended to place the gateway on a tabletop using USB-C, while the smoke detectors use the batteries. Now, this product has an app called Hik-Protect, which we can download from Google Play and the App Store. It's a relatively simple setup. Just power on and follow the instructions on the app.
Device connected to the server.
While exploring the app, we've noticed that you can segregate the detectors by room, view each device by location and status, and see how much smoke they detect. Oh, and don't worry, it also senses when there's a false alarm, when other things enter the detectors, like steam rather than smoke. Other than that, it records the actions the device performs while it's operating and whether it ever detects anything. In using this app, I also suggest that you allow it to send you critical notifications. It's really important because it shows you instantly what's going on and where the fire or leakage is happening. Once the smoke enters the vents of the smoke detector, it sends an alarm through the device itself, the gateway, and your phone through a critical notification. This set is enough for homes and small businesses that needed simple fire detection and alarm systems that are easily installable and operable. It's able to integrate your area's Wi-Fi and send you notifications on certain alarms. Overall, I recommend this to you if you just want a quick and easy FTest system that requires little to no installation required. And that's everything covered. If you want to know more or are ready to purchase one, head over to our Facebook and Lazada pages and order one today at Happy Work Enterprise, where every happy work protects a life.